Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to link PSN PlayStation to Steam. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open Steam and go to the top left corner. Click on Steam, then select Settings. Next, go to Remote Play and make sure it is enabled. After that, close the settings and launch a PlayStation game that supports account linking. Some supported games include Helldivers, Horizon Forbidden West, The Last of Us Part 1, Marvel's Spider-Man, and God of War. Once the game starts, you will see a QR code or an option to link your accounts. Click Link Account and you will be redirected to a login page. Enter your PSN credentials or create a new account if you don't have one. After confirming, your Steam and PSN accounts will be linked. And that's it. So that's basically how you can link PSN PlayStation to Steam. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.